You are watching Shayna-Renee. What's up, you guys? My name is Shayna-Renee, aka Miss Kisses or Miss Red Kisses if you must, and I am back with another video. In today's hair video, we are going to be doing this cute, simple Mohawk style. I am starting with my hair already washed, but it does have gel product in it because I was trying to do a wash and go, and you see how it turned out. So we're changing it into a Mohawk instead. So these are the products I'm using. I'm just using 3 hair ties, the styling gel that's already in my hair, and my hair is already kind of curled, Cream of Nature's Edge Control, Shine and Jam, and Cream of Nature's Detangler, leave-in detangler. I have some bobby pins, a comb and a brush, and yeah, let's get started. Pulling up the sleeves so we could get this on and popping. Let's get it, y'all. So the first thing I'm doing is I'm parting my hair to make this cute little braid on the side. I'm not sure why I decided to do it, but I just wanted to look cute and just look like a little Billy Goat. So that's what I think of this hairstyle. Anytime I keep looking at myself in the mirror, I'm like, yo, I look like a little baby Billy Goat. But anyway, so if you want to skip this step and you just want to do the Mohawk, you can. But if you want to do this, all you have to do is try to make this part as neat as you can so it's not looking crusty and dusty and busty. So yeah, I am using the leave-in detangling conditioner because I have curls in my hair right now, so I need to detangle it before I start braiding it because it's gonna end up breaking off my hair. So as I was doing that, I realized, like, oh snap, my hair is turning white. Oh no, oh no, oh no, 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 no. I was not happy about that. I'm like, oh boy. So I tried to comb some of it out, but look at the comb. It's just looking like it's not happening. So I just took a tissue and I decided to wipe some of that off. Now, the reason why I think I got the white product buildup on my hair was because I already had gel in my hair. And I'm guessing the detangler and the gel, those 2 products together don't mix. Because sometimes certain products do not mix together. So that's what ends up happening. And you live and you learn, and that's how you learn. So anyway, I'm braiding it from the back all the way to the front. I'm not showing you how I braid it because you can find out how to braid on YouTube, or if you don't want to braid it, you can also just do a twist to the front, or you can just take out a little bit of hair on the front and just curl it like how sometimes people do. I wanted to do a braid because I feel like the braid will hold better and it'll stretch my hair a little longer. Yeah, so you just do it one side and then you do the other. Now moving on to the full Mohawk of it. This part is definitely pretty simple. It just took me a second because my hair was in the curly state and it wasn't fully detangled or stretched. So that's the only reason why it took a little bit longer. So what I'm doing is I'm going to make my first part and I'm just going to put it up in a ponytail. So that's all you do for the back part. Now, if you want it to look a little bit sleek, now is where you would add your gel or your edge control. For me, I didn't want it to have so much gel on it, like hard gel on it, because I was only keeping this styling for like maybe 2 to 3 days. So I just wanted to just have it looking like really shiny and sleek and new, like I just got my hair done. So I just used the shine and gel. Now with this shine and gel, it is not meant to hold your hair. It's just meant to make your hair look refreshed or your braids look really cute. It's not meant to hold your hair. So if you're thinking that you're going to have a strong hold with this gel, no ma'am, it's not happening. So anyway, I am putting my hair up in this ponytail and I fluff it out, and that is step 1 done. Now, I know you're like, oh, okay, you just do that 3 times. Nope, not necessarily. You can if you want. I just personally didn't want it to look like 3 ponytails trying to make a mohawk. So this is what I decided to do. I wanted to make it look a little fuller. So I just sectioned off my hair again like I was going to make another ponytail. Now, after I sectioned off my hair, I am going to put the front part up out of the way. And from doing that section, I'm going to do another little small section behind that. That is the part that I'm going to be leaving out for a second. So this part that I leave out, I want it to be the part that's going to make the ponytails look fuller and to make the mohawk just look like just better. So that's why I'm doing this step. It's going to look good at the end. I promise you. I mean, you saw the picture. That's why you clicked on the video. It's going to look good. So just trust me. Just trust me. All right. So when I finish sectioning that off, I am going to put it in a ponytail. For this section, I decided to not wrap the ponytail so much. I just wanted it to wrap it once, so that way my hair could still look super, super full. Now, with the part that I left out, I am just going to bobby pin that up and just on the sides so it could still be sleek with the rest of the hair and so it could look full. So when you bobby pin it, I would suggest not to bobby pin it, I guess, straight down. I don't really know how to explain that, but I'm going to show a close-up. Yeah, I'm going to show a close-up so you could kind of see. I'm going to put it in, and then I'm going to, like, kind of loop it through. Almost like if you were tying your shoe and you got to, like, loop, put it in and then loop. I hope that makes sense. But, yeah. So, that's what I'm going to do, and I'm showing you right now. It's going to look cute and fluffy. So, that's what I did for the back, and I'm going to basically do the same thing for the front. Now, the only difference with the front is, for the front, you're going to sleek up the sides and the front. You can sleek up the sides and the front, but I didn't really need to put gel on the front of my hair because nobody's going to see that. So for the front, I put a little bit of the edge control and the shine and gel, so that way that can have a little bit more of a better hold and a sleek hold. So now I'm just going to section off my hair, and instead of having the back section out, I'm just going to leave part of the front section out. So I leave the front section out because I kind of want it to have a lower hang in the front. I didn't want it to have like a mohawk where everything was straight up. So you'll see, I section that off, and then I just brush up the rest of my hair and sleek it up real quick. And for this ponytail, I am going to tie it more than once because I want it to look really tight and sleek in the front, like I said before. That is what I'm looking for. Sleek cuteness in the front. Y'all, I'm not even looking in the mirror. I'm trying to use the front camera so I can see what's happening, as well as there is another mirror, but I'm trying to not look over there because I want y'all to see what I'm doing. So, yeah. So right here, I am just putting the bobby pins on the sides and the front. So it's going to basically look like this. If you need other clips to hold your hair out of the way, I suggest do that because it might get a little bit distracting. So I just put 2 bobby pins on each side to see how I wanted it to be molded, to know where I wanted to go. So yeah, this is me showing you again how I'm putting the bobby pins in. So before I finish the front, I'm just going through the back and I'm fluffing it out, and I'm putting any bobby pins where I feel like it needs to be put, wherever I see there is space, or where it feels like there is space where you can see the hair clips. I am just stretching that part of the hair out and putting the bobby pins in the way. Now, for this front part, that section that I was holding, I am just going to part that front part section. And for the front, I want it to hang down, like I said before. So I am putting about like maybe 2 to 4 bobby pins in the front part, just so I can hold it down and it can like hang down in front of my face. Because with my hair, I know it's going to end up puffing up and shrinking, and it's not going to stay down, so it's easier to do that. So I do that, and I'm basically done. And that is how you do this cute, quick, sleek mohawk hairstyle. But that's basically it. You just want to make sure you fluff out the hair so it's just seamless. And of course, you could decorate it and accessorize your hair. And yeah, and if you do it on stretched hair, you can always do the curls after you made the Mohawk hairstyle. So it's up to you. Anyway, that is it for this quick tutorial for this cute little Mohawk hairstyle. If you like what you see, definitely comment, subscribe, show me love. The more you like and comment, the more my videos can get out to other people. And I would definitely appreciate that, because I am on the road to 1,000 subscribers. And yeah, I'm trying to get there before my birthday, which is March 2nd. So definitely help me get there before that happens. I would love that for an amazing birthday gift. If you decide to do this hairstyle, definitely tag me in your post so I can see it. And thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next one. Later.